I'm home. Like it's time to move on. A little workout.
We're just getting started. You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my
So as you can see, I'm home and there's no one home. Decided to come back home a little bit early because I was just so tired. It sucks being outside. So hot, I was sweating like crazy. I wanted to leave my hair down, but it was so freaking hot. First thing I did when I came back home was to get out of the jeans and put my sweatpants back on. I'm not really like 100% happy with how this piece is looking. As in, I feel like I still can add a little bit more details here and there. I feel like his jawline here needs to sharpen up a little bit. But I feel like it's time to move on. I've been working on this for like, I want to say 6-7 hours. And yeah, I think it's time to start a new piece. This is another sketch that I did. Here's another one of Jungkook.
when I go to sleep at night.
I almost forgot that I wanted to share this unboxing with you guys. So I received a package from Foreo and I actually already know what's inside, but I haven't actually opened the package and look at the product, so let's do it together. Hey. Oh my god, okay, so here it is. This is called the Bear and it's in the color mint, but it's basically a microcurrent device. I am super happy to receive this and I'm so excited because if you watch a couple of my videos, you'll know that I have been using microcurrent devices and I freaking love them. I feel like they are such essential products for people my age, so like maybe mid to late 20s. I feel like everyone needs to have a microcurrent device. Okay, so I say that I've been using microcurrent devices. In reality, I've only actually used one microcurrent device, and it is the NuFace. I did mention it in my January favorites. I received it on my birthday. It was a gift from my boyfriend, and I've been using it ever since then. It feels like this one's a lot more advanced. It has like pulsation, this anti-shock system. The NuFace one is like a bit more straightforward. There's no app that you can connect to whatsoever. It looks great.
A few moments later.
I wanted to try the Bare Mint microcurrent device, but then I forgot to charge it. So I'm gonna try it tomorrow instead. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is the current progress of my Taeyong painting. It doesn't actually look like him. But I think I did a pretty great job with the leopard print shirt. I just finished some like reconciliation analysis work, and my brain is exploding. So let's take a short break and squeeze in a little workout. I am so not motivated to work out right now, but I've been pretty bad at sticking with my workout routine recently, so I need to get back on track and get this done. I mean, I'm literally wearing like the comfiest outfit. Let's drink some pre-workout.